Good morning students, welcome back in this class. Today I am going to discuss about the class 7th standard math chapter number 4 linear equation. In the previous lecture we have already discussed about the integers, division and multiplication of the fraction and data handling. In this sequence we will discuss about the linear equation and some example which is related to the linear equation. Now let us start. First of all we will discuss about the some important term which is related to the linear equation. As you know that a sentence is a group of a word that makes a complete sense. In mathematics, sentence is also used in mathematics. For the some example here, 7 plus 3 10. The above statement makes a complete sense. 7 plus 3 equal to 10. The statement makes a complete sense. The above sentence has two arithmetical expressions and the sign of equality between them. So according to this, an equation has a statement, it has one or more literals. Number is called an equation. An equation that a statement, it has one or more literal involved in the statement, that is called an equation. So for the following some example of equation here. The first example, x plus 4, x plus 4 equal to 5. X plus 4 equal to 5. X plus 4 equal to 5 an equation that represents 4 added from a number makes 5. Means if the 4 added in a number and gives a result that is 5. Means x plus 4 is an equation. X plus 4 is an equation that represents 4 added in a number, 4 added to a number and gives a result that is 4. Represents a number added 4 and gives 5. Here the x plus 4 is an equation. It has one literal, that is x. So now other example here, x minus 8 equal to 3. X minus 8 equal to 3. And this example is also an equation. For an equation represented by the 8 subtracted from a number and gives a result 3. 8 subtracted from a number and number is equal to 3. So both examples here that can be expressed and in the form of an equation x plus 4 equal to 5, and second is the x minus 8 equal to 3. So according to the definition of an equation is a statement which involves one or more literals of a number, that is called an equation. So x plus 4 equal to 5, that is an equation. It has one literal, that is x. Then x plus 4 equal to 5 is an equation that represents 4 added to a number x and gives 5. Second is the x minus 8 equal to 3. Then 8 subtracted from a number and gives result are equal to the 3. So in both examples here, an equation it has only one literal, that is known as linear equation in one variable. So here is only one literal, that is known as linear equation in one variable, means x plus 4 equal to 5 and x minus 8 equal to 3. Here in this equation it has only one literal, so it is known as linear equation in one variable. So other example here, 2x plus 2x plus y equal to 8. In this equation, a number is twice added to another number and gives to 8. In other words, a number is double and added to another number and result makes are equal to 8. In this equation, it has two literal. So it is called linear equation in two variable. Linear equation in two variable. So now the difference between from 1 and 2. Here is the one literal. So it is known as linear equation in one variable. And now equation 2, equation 1 and equation 2. For the comparison between equation 1 and equation 2, there are the first equation, it has only one literal, that is known as linear equation in one variable, linear, and second is that it has two literal number, that is called the linear equation in two variable, and this statement represented the linear equation two variable. So here the number twice of a number added by another number to gives a. This equation is called linear equation in two variable. So now some example which is related to the linear equation. So here is the first question of 10x plus 10x plus 10x plus 3 here is the 3x plus 10 equal to minus 14, and this equation is linear equation in one value. Here is an equation, it involves only one literal. It is also known as linear equation in one value. So first of all, the first step to solve this problem, that is subtracting 10 from the both sides. 3x plus 10 equal to minus 14. Subtract 10 from both sides. Here is subtract 10 from both sides. So 3x plus 10 equal to minus 14. Then 3x plus 10 minus 10 equal to minus 14 minus 10. So 3x plus 10 minus 10 equal to minus 14 minus 10. Then minus 10 plus 10 and minus 10, that is 0. Then 3x equal to minus 14 and minus 10, that is minus 24. Here is the coefficient of the x, that is 3. So dividing 3 in both sides, then dividing both sides, by 3. Dividing both side by 3. So the coefficient of x is 3. Then dividing both sides by 3. So here by 3. Then 3 cancel and 3 8 x equal to minus 8. So here the solution number of value of x equal to minus 8. Now check the solution is right or wrong. So left hand side here, check for your answer. Then left hand side 3x plus 10, 3x plus 10. So here is the value of x equal to minus 8. Then put the value of x equal to minus 8 in equation 3x plus 10. Then 3 into minus 8 plus 10 minus 24 plus 10. Then minus 24 plus 10, that is minus 14. So in this equation 3x plus 10 equal to minus 14. Left hand side, that is 3x plus 10, and right hand side minus 14. So put the value of x equal to minus 8 here. Then the value of 3x plus 10 is equal to minus 14. Then left hand side, that value is right hand side. So your answer is verified from the above expression. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Left hand side equal to right hand side. First of all, solve this problem. So first 3x plus 10 equal to minus 14. Then 10 added from a number which is thrice of a number, triple of a number is added 10 and gives result minus 14. Then subtract 10 from both sides, that is 3x equal to minus 24. Here the coefficient of x is 3, then divided 3 both sides, then value of x equal to minus 8. So your answer is right or wrong. Check for the sum step here. first of all, left hand side, that is 3x plus 10. So put the value of x equal to minus 8 here. Then solve this and your answer become minus 14. So it is clear to the your answer is right, because left hand side is right hand side. So now another problem, that is and next problem is 4 bracket a minus 6 equal to 14. 4 a minus 6 equal to 44. So here is a minus 6 in bracket and 4 is multiplied outside here. So dividing both sides by 4, dividing both sides by 4. Then 4a minus 6 equal to 44. Divided by 4, then a1, then a minus 6 equal to 11. So next step here is a minus 6 equal to 11. Here is the added a number 6 in both sides. Adding 6 to both sides. Adding 6 to both sides. So here the minus 6 equal to 11. Then plus 6 equal to 11 plus 6. Then a equal to 17. So the value of a equal to 17. Now check your answer for the above expression. Left hand side is the 4 bracket a minus 6. Check 4 bracket a minus 6. So here the put the value of a equal to 17. Here 4 17 minus 6. Then 17 minus 6 11. Then 4 multiply 11, that is 44. This value is right hand side. So verify your answer, and your answer is right here. A equal to 17. That is, put the value of a equal to 17 in the left hand side. 4 bracket a minus 6. Then 17 minus 6 equal to 11. 4 into 11 44. And this value is also same as the right hand side. So LHS equal to RHS, left hand side equal to right hand side. So your answer will be right here.